Napundi na ang aktor na si KD Estrada sa nambabash sa kalabting niyang si Alexa Ilacad mula sa grupo ng fans na dating sumusuporta sa kanya. Ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit umiwas na siya sa mga ito. Kaya naman nag-post siya sa platform na X or dating Twitter para ipagtanggol ang dalaga at inaming hindi hahayaang patuloy na bastusin ang babaeng mahal niya at importante ito sa buhay niya. Anya, I don't want to be associated with this fandom and the other person of this ship no longer. Nabanggit pa na lumampas na ang dati niyang supporters sa linya na pati magulang ni Alexa ay nadadamay na. I have let you hate and criticism towards me slide, I take that. But I cannot allow this fandom who claims to support me bash the family and person I love, sabi ng binata. Kinwestiyon kasi ng dating supporters ni KD na malaki ang pinagbago niya mula nang lumabas sa reality show na Pinoy Big Brother Community Season 10. If you are all asking for an explanation as to why I changed after PBB, I don't owe any of you that. If you want a simple explanation, it's because I grow up. Samantala, mapapanood na ang digital series nilang Toscoin sa Star Cinema YouTube channel ngayong January 11, 7pm. May post naman si Alexa sa Instagram account nila ni KD na, Heads or Tails, are you ready to see KDLX navigate the twist of fate in the heart of Hong Kong? Experience the best 12 minutes of your life with Toscoin. KDLX headlined this international rom-com from Hello Love Goodbye director Cathy Garcia Sampana and produced by Star Cinema and the HK Tourism Board. Toscoin is the Philippine entry and had a sold-out run during the recent Asian Film Festival in Hong Kong with entries from other Asian countries including Korea and Thailand. Watch KD Estrada and Alexa Ilacad as they test love and fate. Premiere tomorrow on Star Cinema YouTube channel at 7pm. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.